गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आई एम श्योर जो हमने पीछे पढ़ाया था, जो पीछे हमने एंटीबायोटिक्स के ऊपर डिस्कशन की थी एंड लॉट मोर प्रोडक्ट्स हम एंटी एलर्जिक वर देयर, तो उनके ऊपर आर यू क्लियर? कुछ पूछना है उसमें? शुड वी गो हैड? ओके, आज हम 4-5 प्रोडक्ट डिस्कस करेंगे। तो उसमें हमारा एक है प्रेबो, प्री एंड प्रोबायोटिक। बिकॉज प्रेबो is purely health supplement which is multiple and high potency probiotic, pre and probiotic. So probiotics or the good bacteria have various benefits like enhancing digestive system, preventing gas and abdominal cramps. They are important for guts, for improving the digestion. When antibiotics are given to the patient, डॉक्टर्स अक्सर कोई ना कोई साथ में प्रीबायोटिक लिखते हैं, प्री एंड प्रोबायोटिक। सो वी हैव गॉट प्रेबो, एंड प्रेबो हमारा जो है इट इनरिचेस द गट विद गुड बैक्टीरिया विच प्रमोट द गट हेल्थ, and it helps to improve digestion and prevents abdominal pain and cramps. एंटीबायोटिक के साथ में क्या होता है, समटाइम व्हेन वी टेक हायर एंटीबायोटिक, पेट में थोड़ा गैस्ट्रिक प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, तो वहाँ पे डॉक्टर साथ में प्री एंड प्रोबायोटिक भी साथ में देता है। सो वी गॉट प्रेबो इज इफेक्टिव इन स्ट्रेंथनिंग द डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट एंड इम्प्रूव्स न्यूट्रिएंट अब्सॉर्प्शन में ये बहुत बेनिफिट है। आपने देखा कुछ पेशेंट क्या होता है, खाना खाने के बाद उनको प्रॉब्लम आती है एंड उनको कुछ ना कुछ पेट में प्रॉब्लम आती है, तो इमीडिएटली उनको फॉर टॉयलेट के लिए जाना पड़ता है, या पेट में दर्द होता है, या उनको अपने आप को फ्रेश करने के लिए जाना होता है। फॉर दैट वी हैव गॉट प्रेबो, प्री एंड प्रोबायोटिक। वन प्रेबो sachet daily you have to recommend to the patient along with the antibiotic, and Prebo is available as Prebo capsule which contains pre and probiotic with glutamine. Glutamine का क्या रोल है? Glutamine boosts the immune system, ability to repair the leaky gut, produce growth hormone level, most important nutrients for intestine, and especially you can recommend to your patient to the doctor you can recommend that he should write with antibiotic therapy, infantile diarrhea and debilitated conditions may this Prebo is a drug of choice. Pre and probiotic is a drug of choice. I'm sure, are you clear for this Prebo, pre and probiotic? It's a very good product. Then we have got Reclit, Resicadotril and Saccharomyces boulardii. This is antibacterial. Resicadotril is an oral ankylosing inhibitor and used in the treatment of acute diarrhea. And because Reclit prevents degradation of endogenous opioid, reduce hypersecretion of intestinal lumen, ये बड़ा इसका बेनिफिट है दैट इट रिड्यूस, बिकॉज रेसिकाडोट्रिल है इसमें, इट रिड्यूस हाइपरसिक्रेशन ऑफ इंटेस्टिनल ल्यूमेन and no effect on central nervous system. That's a very good point, that there's no side effect on the central nervous system. Then we have got Saccharomyces boulardii. That is, Saccharomyces boulardii is a agent used for the prevention of diarrhea, prevents gut inflammation that causes diarrhea and interfering with various bugs, and protects gut from amoeba and cholera, keep candid from spreading. So you can recommend to the doctor in this Reclit, Saccharomyces boulardii and Resicadotril. You can recommend to the doctor for irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease and antibiotic associated diarrhea, recurrent Clostridium difficile infection. Antibiotic जहाँ भी डॉक्टर लिखेगा आपका प्री एंड प्रोबायोटिक जरूर लिखेगा। So it's a very good product for especially surgery, operation or for high antibiotic. Are you clear? Okay. Head PD Fresh contains chlorohexidine, gluconate and chlorobutol, and this is a mouthwash. It keeps your mouth fresh because PD Fresh treats the bacteria gum disease, gingivitis, and healing regeneration of oral tissue. Instant onset of action within 15 seconds. When you take this mouthwash, take a gargling and within 15 seconds your mouth is fresh, free from alcohol, causes no drowsiness of the mouth. Then PD Fresh kills all classes of microorganisms useful in pharyngitis, sore throat, especially tonsillitis, gingivitis. Gingivitis means inflammation of the gums. Pharyngitis, जहाँ भी ITIS आता है, it means it is a inflammation of that part. So gingivitis means inflammation of the gingies. Then pharyngitis, inflammation of the pharynges, means where जहाँ भी ITS आएगा तो it means that is a swelling of that area. So for that PD Fresh is a drug of choice. Then we got PD Fresh Tooth. इसके लिए हमें बहुत डिमांड आई, बहुत सारी हमारी पार्टीज ये कहती कि हम डेंटल सर्जन को करते हैं, वी आर कवरिंग ऑल डेंटल सर्जन्स, बट हमारे पास कोई टूथपेस्ट नहीं है, कोई जेल नहीं है, बिकॉज दे आर डिमांडिंग दैट. सो वी इंट्रोड्यूस दैट PD Fresh टूथ जेल. दैट इज ए कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ, इसमें क्या है हमारा कॉम्बिनेशन, पोटाशियम नाइट्रेट, सोडियम मोनोफ्लोरोफॉस्फेट एंड ट्राइक्लोसान. ये तीनों का क्या एक्शन है, तीनों. पोटाशियम नाइट्रेट क्या है, ये इट इज़ ए reduce the sensitivity of the nerves and reduce the pain sensation. Then sodium monofluorophosphate, it acts by coagulating dental tubular and limiting movement and dentinal fluid. Then third, triclosan, that is an antibacterial, that is effective control oral microflora and plaque formation. उनके ऊपर इसका कंट्रोल है. इट्स एंटीबैक्टीरियल इन एक्शन. एंड कहाँ पे हम इनको रिकमेंड कर सकते हैं, इट इज़ ए एंटीबैक्टीरियल बिकॉज वी हैव गॉट स्पेशली फॉर्मुलेटेड फॉर एवरीडे यूज़. सुबह एंड शाम को 2 टाइम यूज़ करना है इसको. अर्ली मॉर्निंग उठ के बेड से जब आप उठते हैं, यू हैव टू यूज़ दैट टूथपेस्ट. देन एट द नाइट टाइम व्हेन यू गो टू स्लीप, देन अगेन यू हैव टू यूज़ द टूथपेस्ट. So it's a good toothpaste available in clear gel form and fights cavities and plaques, and it has got strength. It has got to strengthen the animals because animals को strong करता है. हमारे animals क्या होते हैं, जिसमें हमारे दांत होते हैं अंदर, उनको ये टाइट करता है, उनको ये strong बनाता है so that दांत जल्दी ना टूटें. So it protects against sensitivity. So all these benefits are there with PD Fresh Tooth Gel. So you can go with the dental surgeons and discuss this product with them, and wonderful result you will get. Next we have got SiliFresh L, that is Silimarin. L means L-ornithine and aspartate. They are amino acid that promotes detoxification and liver function. B complex vitamins help maintain overall health and well-being. So we got SiliFresh, that is Silimarin combination plus L-ornithine, aspartate and B complex factors. So we have got a good product. And doctors इसको लीवर में स्पेशली फैटी लीवर में या लीवर डैमेज होता है जहाँ पे, तो वहाँ पे ये अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. डॉक्टर्स आर राइटिंग लाइक एनीथिंग, स्पेशली इन जॉन्डिस एंड एल्कोहलिक लीवर डिजीज के लिए इट्स ए ड्रग ऑफ चॉइस. फैटी डिजनरेशन ऑफ लीवर, फैटी डिजनरेशन ऑफ लीवर, उसके लिए बहुत अच्छा है ये. एंड देन टॉक्सिक मेटाबॉलिक लीवर, इट डैमेज दी वेयर योर लीवर इज डैमेज्ड, वेयर टॉक्सिक मेटाबॉलिक liver problem is there. So there you can recommend Silimarin L. So we got Silimarin L and Silimarin. So both plain and L are there. Silimarin L, that is with ornithine and aspartate and B complex factor, and they increase the energy level, reduce stress and reduce symptom of anxiety. So we got both Silimarin with L and Silimarin plain. So you can recommend to your patient, your doctors. It's a wonderful product for the liver problem. Next, our product is PD Mupin. PD Mupin contains mupirocin topical cream. It is used to treat secondarily infected traumatic skin lesions due to specific bacteria. Mupirocin topical ointment is used to treat impetigo. This medicine works by killing bacteria or preventing their growth. Now, you can recommend this PD Mupin in impetigo. इम्पेटिको क्या होता है मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ. इम्पेटिको मीन्स दैट डीप this is, you know, that after the blister, when skin layer is off, that wounds takes place, that is called impetigo. Then ecthyma means deep ulcerated form of impetigo, bacterial skin infection. Then folliculitis means inflammation of the hair follicles के पास infection जो हो जाता है, that is called folliculitis, look like a small reddish. And then furunculosis, multiple boils, painful with pus due to staphylococcus infection. Staphylococcus is a bacteria name, so that is because of that staphylococcus bacteria that furunculosis is taking place. So for that we have got PD-mucin. Then insect bites, minor wounds and burns, primary skin infection. The PD-mucin is a tag of choice. You can apply PD-mucin and patient will get definitely relief. Next is Fungicil cream. That is, Fungicil cream is an antifungal medicine used to treat fungal infection of the skin such as athlete foot, Dobby itch means type of ringworm, that is called Dobby itch. That is a type of ringworm, reddish. Thrush ringworm and dry flaky skin. Flaky skin means dry skin, where that peels off the skin, that is called flaky skin. It works by killing the fungi that cause this infection. Fungicil cream is available as 30 gram in tray pack. Is it okay? Then next we have got Keto soap. Keto soap contains proven ingredients ketoconazole, broad spectrum antifungal agent that treats the root cause of dandruff and provides the long lasting relief without irritating the scalp. Keto soap controls flaking, scaling, itching. Flaking means dry skin, and scaling, itching, that is itching ring type. So you can apply keto soap there. Mainstay of treatment for fungal infection and seborrheic dermatitis. Seborrheic dermatitis क्या होता है? That is a long term skin infection, that is called seborrheic. Then very effective in various skin infection including itching, tinea and candid skin infection. Tinea क्या होता है? A type of ringworm, that is called tinea. And candid skin infection as adjuvant therapy, effective in inhibiting bacteria. These keto soap you can recommend in dandruff, seborrheic, then dermatophylosis, that is a mixed infection like skin hair caused by group of fungi, and fungal infection. I think fungal, all these ointments we have discussed today. Are you clear? It's this topic, at least fungal infection topic or bacterial infection and ointment topic is over. Thank you very much.